us to another episode on AS your G12 exams. So this is the third episode in a series of episodes that are focused on the 2020 GCE Science Paper 2, which is chemistry. So the first episode covered the multiple choice section, then the second episode looked at question B1. So let us look at B2. So B2, the diagram below represents a paper chromatogram of 3 sugars, K, M, and N. Question A, state the most soluble sugar. So the most soluble sugar is the one that has moved in the furthest relative to the other two. So you notice that N is the one that has moved in the furthest from the starting point, which is this one. So this one is the starting point where they are starting from. So N is the one that has moved in the furthest, so it's the most soluble. The least soluble is the one that has moved in the smallest, which is K. So K has moved the shortest from the starting point. Then question B, on the chromatogram above indicate the solvent fluent. So what is the solvent fluent? That's the question that we need to ask ourselves. So when you look at the diagram that we are given, this all paper you are seeing is known as the thin layer chromatography plate. So now the plate has got 2 key points. So this is the starting point or the origin. Then we have the solvent fluent, which is the furthest distance traveled by the developing solvent. So the furthest distance that is traveled by the solvent is up to here. So this is what is known as the solvent fluent. So you need to come and label it here. Once you do that, then you would have answered that question and you get the 1 mark that is allocated to this question. So this is how you answer question B and A. Question C, the 3 sugars K, M, and N are colorless. What should be done to the chromatogram to make them visible? So when you have colorless case, you need the locating agents. So the locating agents must be used to locate these. So in this case, we need to get a locating agent, then we use it to help us to locate these 3 sugars which are colorless. So the locating agent reacts with the colorless substance or dyes to give a colored substance. So what should be done? So the locating agent must be used. So what we are saying is, what is the purpose of the locating agent? So the locating agent or agents react with colorless substance, so substances stroke dyes, to give colored substances. So once we get these colored substances, we should be able to easily identify these substances, what they are. Question D, explain how chromatograph can be used to identify false banknotes or forged paper money. So what happens is the suspected banknote is obtained, then the ink contained in that banknote is separated using chromatography. Once it's separated, then the ink in that suspected banknote will be compared with the ink found in the original or ordinary banknote, especially the one used for signature. Then the difference in inks is an indication of forgery. So that's the process. So just to put it in writing, chromatograph is used to separate inks contained in a suspected bank note or notes. Then the ink obtained is compared to the ink found in the ordinary or original bank note. Then the difference in the inks found in these two notes is an indication that the suspected bank note is false or forged, especially the ink used for signature. So this is how you use chromatograph to detect or identify false banknotes or forged paper money. So this is how you answer this question to get the 60 marks. Thank you for joining me in this episode. Please join me in the next episode as I look at question B3. Thank you viewers for watching this episode. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider liking, and also if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. By liking, subscribing and sharing, you are going to help us improve our visibility. A simple like from you makes a big difference. So once you subscribe to our channel and go to our channel, we discover that we've got so much content. So we've got mathematics based revision questions, we've got physics, we've got chemistry, then we've got also topic based section for all the subjects. And this is the best section for you if you're having any challenges in any particular topic.